Hey guys, what's going on? So we're back with another video. So today we're playing some epic mini games. Wow. I just died because my thing, I wasn't paying attention, so I just died right there. So, guys, I want to start this little trend that if you want to be a part of the gang, you have to have the woman body on Roblox. If you're not a woman, then that's fine. You can keep your body. But if you're a person, you're a girl, you gotta have this body and you'll be shown that you are part of the break gang. So in epic mini games, you have to have coffee, because if you don't have coffee, Starbucks coffee, Starbucks coffee on the side, and a hot dog to go with the hot coffee. You can't be a part of the team, you know what I mean? So, yeah. That's just, what you gotta do. So I keep my coffee on hand, because, this is so easy. Come on now, this is easy. Probably won't talk right now because this is so easy, I don't even have to talk. So, moment of silence. Okay, moment of silence over. I can't really go on without talking in a video. It doesn't make sense to me, Yeah. Snap. Eek. Eek. Yeet. 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 Woohoo! Everybody that died, that's so easy. Like, seriously. So guys, I'm trying to get to the big 200 on Roblox. I'm trying to get to the big 200 followers on my Roblox account that I am playing on. My username is CupGirl. Oh, and go follow my Instagram account at Hyperbread. Okay, it's Hyperbread. Okay, let's keep the coffee out. People are already gonna follow me. I can tell because I'm a master at mining. I play Minecraft like a bunch, so I'm a master at mining. I'm a master at finding stuff. So I'm gonna find this. You have a whole minute to find it, basically. Yeah. And keep clicking until I find this crap. Wow. Somebody won. Somebody won. Let's see if I can make mine thing. Yeah, so. Ooh, lights on in the roof. I like this one. Do you guys like my outfit? But again, if you want to show appreciation that you're with the squad, the bread squad, you have to have the woman body. Also, kill RICO. RICO is the father of you all. And I don't like him anymore. He left me. Comment in the comment section. Oof, RICO. Okay. Comment in the comment section. Oof, RICO. Starting now. Oof, RICO. Wow. RICO's spirit is still somewhere near me. No, RICO is not dead, but I swear I killed him like so many times. Like, You know what? No. RICO and I broke up, but I have 2 unborn children right now. My children are unborn. That's why I look so flat. Yeah. If you follow me and you have this body, I might just follow you back. But I need to unfollow some folks so I can look professional. I need to look professional. Store. Stop. Hang on. So I already played a little bit before I started. Oh my god, I'm on PC too? Yes. Can't be out in the open like this, because I'll get terminated, Mix Facts, died, dead, die, oh, I'm gonna die, I'm in a war zone, dang. Bye. You look like Rico. No. You're gonna die. Bye. You look like sorry, Rico! Oh, sorry, Munchkin! Rico, mother! Damn. Let's get this Rico looking guy again. Bye, Rico. I'm a beast. I'm such a beast at this. My god, I hope I won. Dang it, it's this girl right here. She's a targeter. She's a camper, man. I had 11. I knew it. It's like I'm better at this one at like on PC. Yeah. Desert. For some reason, it doesn't look right because my screen is like. Okay, you guys know what this one is. So, this is a new desert, I believe. My sister did it. I'll be doing a collab with my sister pretty soon. She doesn't have a YouTube channel yet, but she's gonna make one. So, yeah. She's probably gonna make one at least when I have a few more fans, so you guys can go support her. And have at least like 1K by then. Yeah. I need a soda. I need a Minnesota. Yeah. I need a Minnesota. Yeah. I need a Minnesota. I need a Minnesota light. I need this Minnesota light. I need this Minnesota light. I'm just a chill person. Look at me, man. I'm just like, what's the dog? I'm just gonna type that, cause you know. This video has been 9 minutes long already. So we're going to do this. So we're gonna do this map, and then we're gonna go ahead and end the video right here. This one is not easy for me. It might be easy for other people, but I always end up, if I don't die, I always die at the last minute. And that's what I hate. Had a whole minute. This is just, come on. Really? So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here, and to make sure you guys put hashtag oof Pablo, yeah, and maybe I might do a face reveal on my next video. We'll see how many subscribers I gain. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you in my next video, Brits. And